back.
We're back.
We're back for another playthrough.
Yeah,
Round 2.
We're bringing you Ratchet Clank 0 for 1, in case you can't read.
That's very insulting.
My name is Danny.
I'm Joe.
And
And this clown over here to the left is Josh, I guess.
Yeah, Josh is here again. We're gonna be playing offline. Cause
we don't like people.
Yeah. What is this?
But people like us, and we're not sure why.
What?
Not yet.
That's what you think.
What difficulty are we going?
I saw it. I saw it.
Hard. We're going hard?
Yeah.
How hard can this game be? It's really
Harder!
For everyone.
Erect! You know what? Above expert, it should be erect. I like the difficulty.
Yeah, because the 9-year-old wouldn't understand that, right? Here.
I don't know.
Yeah!
Or can I... Wait. No, No!
Now wait, who have you picked there, you big dummy?
Clank.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, there we go. I'm ready. You guys got your characters?
Hey, we can't change color.
Let me be Clank.
Oh, what's wrong? I thought you wanted to be. I thought you wanted to be that dumb green guy. Fucking swamp thing over there.
Hey! Pick your damn character.
I don't want to be
Fine.
Clank. How'd you even do that? How can you also be Clank?
Was there not? Oh, never mind.
I'm just that damn good, alright?
The fuck? How come I couldn't fucking choose Clank out of the blue? What the f? You can fucking
Get the fuck out of the Clank,
you can
alright?
make me not be Clank?
Yes. Isn't that awesome?
Go!
How do I?
Alright,
no,
fine.
I can't even. You fucking did it again.
What are you doing?
You're not Click no more.
Do I have no control? Do I seriously have zero control? Oh, here we go.
Oh, no, you're not.
Joe, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, okay, fine.
What the hell's going on anyways?
There.
I don't know anymore.
Joe, what the hell's your name?
My eye's also twitchy.
I'm Qwark.
Clank.
I'm Ratchet.
Clank.
We're about to get
Look at
I'm
that
ready.
big dumb smile.
Ratchet up this bitch.
Look at that big dumb smile. He's ready to go.
We're about to use this bitch as a ratchet. Hey, have you ever turned one hoe into a train?
Luminous planet.
Want some snacks?
I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious light-eating sick root against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Damn, he told you.
Doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
Hell no.
That's Joe's character, alright.
Deceitful mean impressive?
Whoa. That is
Damn.
Joel's character.
It really is.
We're talking about a light-eating sick root here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an intergalactic Jewel of Justice award. Who did you say
Is his eyes green because he's been smoking that good shit? Is
Is
that why you chose him?
Maybe. I don't
Look
know.
at him, peacefully slumbering in the warm embrace of cryosleep.
Is that a predator?
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Cronk and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet, so young, so unused to the spoils
just call me a
of
motherfucking
new
Ratchet.
jewelry. Don't worry, when you're a hero, you'll understand. Oh,
Damn, that's dangerous.
Mars Attacks. I love that movie.
I love All Aliens Kill Humans. That movie.
I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
You're hysterical.
Damn.
Fuck this Khajiit.
Oh, goody. I get to reanimate something.
Oh no!
God damn.
I think that's a boss.
Was that the last boss of the last game?
It's gonna be the last boss of the whole game.
It's gonna be the first boss of this game. Watch. I bet you anything. That's how these games go.
Maybe.
Yeah, he's gonna say something naughty.
Help me, Lawrence.
Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
Son of a bit.
Damn it, Alfred.
Bit.
Are we fighting it now?
I'm not afraid.
I mean, I don't know how to play this game.
I'm not afraid.
How hard can it be?
Is it gonna be like Resident Evil 2 where they just start you off like, you know, getting...
No, I'm not just leaving.
It starts you off with no ammo.
That would be a
we
good
got
game.
trophy
For looking at it.
Couch potato. We watched the... No, I think it's because we watched the intro and that gives us couch potato. I think. I'm not sure though. We'd have to check that.
For once.
We are too OP.
Nice job, Qwark.
I am this little guy. Yeah, bitch. We all jumped at the same time. We all checked our jump button simultaneously. What? Oh yeah, we get.
Oh yeah, we get the little.
Yeah.
Thing.
Ah, touch that booty.
This is
I mean,
weird.
I remember playing the demo of this game.
That
and we
caboose.
just fucking like.
That caboose.
Let's go. What is this?
Okay.
Do wait, can I just keep holding on like it doesn't matter?
Hey, L1 is locked on.
Do I have to declare any of this on my tax
Oh,
return?
what's
L1,
L2?
yeah. See?
What's L2? What's this do? What is this? Did I hit him?
Hey,
Nah, there's one over
boomerang.
here. I'm gonna hit him too.
Hey,
Take
this,
that.
we could have gone up, but whatever.
Bam! We got fucking we got Super Mario's ground pound.
Yeah, 'cause Mario invented it.
Does anybody else have a boomerang?
Only Mario invented.
I got motherfucking axe.
Okay, why the hell is this frozen?
And we're
It's
coming
not.
to you live from Luminopolis.
What are you talking about, Joe?
L2 to show both total.
The latest attack from the
Oh,
diabolical
God.
doctor couldn't have come
Wait,
at a
what are you
worse
doing?
time.
Wait, no, we
Jump.
gotta. No, don't just jump. You're not gonna make it.
Whoa! Oh, I did it!
Damn, I jumped and I did not make it.
I was so ratchet. Get on this shit.
Let's hope they find love.
Alright,
I want to
this
hit that
is
shit
safe.
too.
I don't think this is how we're supposed
Go,
to do it.
Joe. Or
Yeah,
go,
swing
Daddy.
left.
Go,
I
leader.
don't think. Ow!
You can do it. All right, looks like Joe made it. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna fucking go for it.
I can't. Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Take that. Game.
What is this? Oh, checkpoint.
I don't know what it
Okay.
is.
I mean, it's a check. Point.
When does this game get hard?
Oh, I got a boomerang.
Damn. Wait, how do you get a boomerang?
I'll hold R2 and then press square, and fucking keep throwing.
Oh, we throw our items.
You don't have items.
Yeah,
You're
look
broke.
at shit.
No bounds, folks. He
You
just
ratchet.
Man.
Ratchet three-part burger was a favorite of his
Hey.
everywhere.
How does this
I got boomerangs for days. Oh, yeah.
Wait,
slam attack? Jump and press square.
Oh, I'm dead.
hell yeah.
You were the first to die in the whole fucking playthrough. How does that make you feel?
It feels bad when you say it like that.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it does.
That was explosives?
Oh.
I didn't die though.
That caboose.
Uh-oh.
Well, as long as it doesn't feed off electricity, I don't see the problem.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Well, these things, they are electric.
Luminoid. Luminoid?
Los Illuminatis.
Appears these Zagroot have just ravaged one of the city's luminoid conduits.
Oh, okay.
This is supposed to be difficult because I'm not breaking a tit.
Well, this is still a tutorial level.
Yeah, these tits are soft.
When's the hard titties coming?
Yeah!
So I can smash them.
I can't wait for that tough titty. You know what I mean? The rough
Yeah.
love.
That caboose. Oh, I didn't get shit.
Yeah.
Ah, I got that. Oh, I got all of that.
There's so much color.
All the colors, the little kids will like them.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah! What is this shit?
Run!
Why do we gotta run?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go.
Stay there on the bridge then, you jackass.
I can't. You hog the screen.
That screen hogging.
I'll hog all the screen I
Yeah.
Why is my guy in a suit?
Head for the airway. Come
Not
on,
reading
we
them.
gotta catch up.
Oh, you probably chose that skin.
Really?
Yeah.
How?
Well, I don't know, because it's still part of the... I don't know.
I can't read my score. I'm
I
too
was
blind.
I was looking for a different color for this
I have
motherfucker.
poor vision. I just want you to know
If you have poor vision, you should have bought,
glasses. Yes, thank you, Joe.
Oh!
Thank you for that professional doctor
Fuck
advice.
your joke.
no, you should have bought, something, a video game console that with less HD in it.
No, man.
That shit
You
doesn't
fucked
help.
up
I've
so
tried that.
hard. Just let it go.
How do I shoot my gun? I remember a gunman would play through.
Wait, we all
Or
control
the-
this?
No,
Yeah,
I
because we had
remember.
everything unlocked. It was a demo.
You don't know. What the fuck? Tilt it back!
Are we controlling this?
No.
Yeah, we are. Lean to the right.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
I'm just gonna stay on this side.
Right.
Perhaps shifting position.
Yeah.
Not even breaking a sweat.
Oh, what the fuck?
Why are you breaking it?
You reminds me of the taxi from The Fifth Element.
Oh, wow.
It does. It is.
Yeah. That's what I'm. Whoa.
Whatever. Air cars. I don't care. I'll just stay to the right. All right.
I have a multi-pass, bitch.
Oh, no.
Well,
Multi-pass.
don't dress in white,
Major city since its inauguration.
because it's after Labor Day.
Holy fuck, how are we gonna do this? Oh, shit. You guys are
Ah,
turning.
what the fuck's wrong with you guys?
Josh isn't turning. He's taking the fucking left. Oh, shit.
Whoa.
Destroying the city.
Oh, man.
What the hell's wrong with you guys?
I'm having too much fun.
You think it'd be so easy, and yeah, you guys just manage to
You guys are
find a
fucking-
way.
I'm-
You find a way. Oh, why did it hit us? There's fucking 8
Hell
cop
yeah.
cars around it.
It knows who's the leader, so I'm first.
You gotta go
Yeah.
fast.
Oh,
Look at me.
I'm fucking Sonic.
How is that even possible? I
I'm
was
so
turning.
fast.
Leap.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Hell yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Look at your fur's on fire, Ratchet.
Woo.
Yeah.
This is me busily not giving a fuck. Bam.
This game is awakening. You know what? Forget.
We gotta hit all 3
What
at
the
once.
fuck? All for one. Oh, never mind.
This is an interesting
All
development.
for one.
It appears
The
Yeah.
hell was that idea?
unidentified robots have teleported into city limits.
Cleaner
I'm
minion.
no expert, but
Fuck this.
they don't appear to
'cause
belong
you-
to Dr.
Get at it.
One can only surmise that these robots have
No.
chosen to take advantage of our distraction with this group and invade our city.
Oh.
I am here.
Stop.
You guys got him right.
I got him.
Hey, I think I'm dead. How do you bring us back? Oh, never mind. Yeah, yeah. Stop. Stop.
Damn it, I'm trying to fucking do this thing. Oh, we all have to do it.
I
We
think
all
they're
have
still
to.
alive, actually. Yeah, they are.
They are?
Don't worry, I guess I got him.
Chaos from the
Fuck.
president's failed.
Trying to give you guys a fucking chance.
Greetings, citizens.
What is this?
Thank you for
Oh, look
taking
at that.
Hell yeah.
through firepower. Are you ready to get
What?
certified?
What the fuck?
Are you sure you want to? Yes, I want it.
I don't want. I'll save my money.
I got a gun.
Dude, it's fucking 40.
I
I'll
got a
save my
gun.
money.
40.
I got a gun.
Friendship through what?
Power,
Firepower.
power.
I got a gun.
I'm not gonna get shit.
I got a gun.
Let's go.
I've exited the vendor.
To one of our discounted police.
I have
Hell no,
I
I
have
don't.
re-entered the vendor.
I don't want to enter. How do you exit?
I left the vendor.
I'm pressing exit and it's not letting me.
That's not exit.
Let's go.
If you're pressing exit and it's not exiting, it's not exit.
I'm pressing triangle.
Joe!
Press triangle.
I am pressing triangle. Look at this.
Triangle harder, you fit. Or...
Triangle.
Do I have to buy this thing?
Press it. No, you don't. You don't gotta do shit.
You don't have to buy it if you don't want.
I don't want to. And it's,
Yep.
it's keeping me here and it's very frustrating.
Press triangle.
Okay,
I
I
am.
guess maybe you have to buy it. The cost is now 0 for you.
Press triangle.
It's not even fair that it doesn't cost you shit. Because it
Press
costs me
triangle.
40. It costs me fucking 40 right now.
I got a gun.
I got a gun.
Who needs courage when you got a gun?
Unholstering your weapon.
How do I holster it?
Safety precautions, disclaimers, warnings.
Boom.
Haha. Okay.
How'd you do that?
Fire.
Oh.
Oh, the
Did everybody buy a gun?
They make
we
you buy a
had to,
gun.
yeah.
Oh, what an asshole.
Shooting, citizen. You mastered the same technique I employed when I vanquished doctors at Ferry.
Wow, this is fun.
Yes, and
Boom,
I'm
boom.
listening to myself. One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If your target refuses to stand still, try locking onto with your weapon.
How do we switch lock-ons? I guess. Can't.
I don't even know.
You just hold on to it. I don't know how to switch it.
You're
Though.
not me.
Well, you can lock. You lock on with L1.
Time to die.
Where does it say your ammo?
That's what to deliver a
I'm too far gone.
blast of power.
I switch it.
Oh, you hold it. Oh, shit. Check out that slow mode.
How do you switch it though?
You don't have anything else.
Yeah, you can't switch.
You just attack with your melee.
Melee.
No,
Huh.
how do you switch your targets?
Don't forget R2 is your boomerang with the square.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't tell me what to do.
Ammo
Look,
packs
man,
refill.
I'm just trying to help him.
I'm not gonna use that crap.
Who's
You're not
dead?
gonna get ammo?
Somebody died.
That
What?
dead Ratchet over there.
Oh, I was walking. Oh. That's some more bullshit, yo. I don't think you can switch weapons.
I mean, switch targets.
You can't.
You can't?
Why would you? I mean, these things die with one shot.
Yeah, but I want the
The
option.
Groot has just
Well,
been
you know.
sighted making its way towards the
What is-
Luminopolis power plant.
That thing is very
Looks like the
athletic for
unidentified
being a
robots
slug.
are following. They must be here according to Groot.
It is pretty athletic for being a slug.
You can come out
What is
to
that?
my desk.
A robot.
Alright.
A robot. I'm gonna ground pound his ass. It moved. I'm dead. I'm dead now. Bam! I ground and pound. Ground and pound.
Yeah, my god, that's a bunch of
Acquired some new
flips.
firepower.
Whoa, 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 what's going on?
The deception and surprise are the key ingredients to any successful offensive.
Hell.
What is that? I'm scared.
It's mine.
I don't like it. It's mine now.
It's a companion cube. You broke it!
It's mine. Or no, he got it.
We shoot? Yeah, we shoot.
Just want to take it for
Woo!
I got ammo.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. More ammo.
Whoa!
Ground and pound.
If you're all shooting at the same target at once, these things take a lot of damage.
It does really.
Ah!
I'm not greedy.
This thing's still alive?
What the fuck? Ground and pound.
No, ground and pound does. Wait, did you kill it with that?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Bam! I got mine. No, I got this different one.
Ready.
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblak about the mysterious robots tracking the Groot. Minister Garblak, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
Die, robot.
It's a robot.
Die, robots.
I don't like robots. My friend doesn't like robots either.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you, Minister Garblak.
Oh shit! I
It didn't
died.
work that time.
Suffer the wrath of my crouching kitten style.
What did he say?
He
That
said,
kitty.
"Yo, mama can suck my fat dick." That's what he said. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I'm very sure.
Seeing as you're a robot, you don't have any.
I think that's what he said.
Yeah.
Damn, we dying now.
I have a fat robot dick.
Yo, what?
We all died.
Who the fuck you think you are?
I'm a robot.
So if we all die,
Well, now we know. I was too distracted by this guy's logic of stupidity.
What are you talking about? Well, you always gotta put me down. Maybe I had dreams too, huh?
Well, you're here playing video games with us. Those dreams are obviously crushed.
They're not gone yet. Yeah.
Bring it. Wait. What the fuck?
I have no more ammo.
I think just because it goes in slow-mo doesn't mean they're dead. It just breaks their shield. You willing on him?
Yeah, I'm putting the fuck out.
Well played, Ratchet. I got you wet.
Stop talking to me.
We all know I'm the boss of this. Look at my pimp ass.
You're a fucking president.
Ow, you can hurt me.
I got him. Don't worry.
I am ready.
president of kicking
Let's
ass.
take this moment
But I
check
want
in
it to
with
be on the
Qwark
right.
Josh about the mysterious robots tracking the group. Mr. Josh, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
I think it's that alien guy. No? Anybody?
What?
Well, the computer said, I wonder who owns these robots.
Oh.
Thank
Probably
you,
us.
I feel like it's the aliens.
Probably we own them.
Hey, get away from my pal.
I'm your pal.
They're already dead.
Get away from me.
I'm strafing. I'm strafing as hard as I can. Rapid fire. Rapid fire.
I'm out of ammo.
How are you out of ammo? I've been holding this button down for the longest
Yeah,
time.
me too.
I've just been holding it down.
I'm dead.
Oh, here's some ammo.
Ammo. Stuff to kill stuff with.
Hell yeah.
Wait. Want the place up?
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, there's our ammo.
Where?
That's 67.
Oh, okay.
I will not defend. We do not wish to
I
fight.
feel like we're just shooting and progressing.
This isn't hard at all.
That is easy mode. This is too easy.
What is this shit? Whoa! This is my favorite part.
I'm scared.
Your son.
Oh, here we go.
What happens if I do
This? Oh, no, my one.
I want to do it. I want to get off.
I'm not even holding the button.
It's true.
It makes you feel like you're holding for dear life, but it's not. It's a lie.
Boss fight.
I'm not afraid. It looks easy.
Zoop group.
Shoot him in the dick.
Oh, what the hell?
The strangest team in Polar history wants to defeat the deadly lightning group.
Woo!
Don't forget, there's ammo off to our right.
I forgot already.
With this spaghetti already?
No. I'm out of ammo.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh no. I need ammo.
I might be mistaken.
Who?
but
That bastard. He's healing.
Well, as long as he's not eating electricity, we
Damn,
are
Look what
fine.
is.
I'm the only one shooting this goddamn thing.
Oh shit.
Yeah, the jackass. That's the way.
We're all talking in the corner, man.
Down he goes.
Just healing up.
Oh, no, no, no. It's falling apart.
This man hasn't seen anything like this in all his years in the industry.
Oh shit, I'm out of the game.
Been a while, then.
Wait, the thing's collapsing. Oh no. Run, Indy, run.
Fuck that. This is my treasure.
Hell yeah. Whatever, I got more treasures.
Dude,
Way more fucking treasures.
He's right, he does.
What if you get hit by a car?
That would suck. Could you
Yeah.
imagine that shit?
Wait, this fight may not be over.
Oh wow, how exciting.
Don't worry, guys. He's gonna eat me first.
Don't worry.
Oh shit.
We won't catch anybody.
You gotta go fast.
Like Sonic.
Know what game this reminds me
That
of?
would be what I said.
Sonic.
Fusion Frenzy.
No.
Okay, come on. Wait, 1 or 2? Fusion Frenzy 1 or 2?
First one.
The third one.
You better be fucking kidding me. I swear to God.
The third one's the best one.
The third one sucked. Are you kidding? You better be fucking kidding.
There's no such thing.
Dude, the first one is the best.
Heavy artillery.
The second one was awful. And I've never heard of the third one, but I hate it right now. I hate it now and already forever.
Get over this spaghetti. I feel like I can just run up to these guys and wail on them,
You
but
can't?
yeah, I really can't.
Okay.
1 minute.
Oh, look at that.
Why
Somebody's
not?
whipping
Let's
Joe.
go.
Oh, man.
What is this shit?
Refuses to come out from behind cover. Try your hand at the plasma bomb launcher.
Hey, sweetie.
This Doohickey loves
I love you.
grenades. armed with unstable plasma.
Ah, man.
For an
Oh, I
added
get
kick, try
it.
firing multiple plasma bombs at the same target.
That would never happen.
Why not?
Do you really see ourselves working together like that?
No.
Alright.
I'm a lone rogue wolf, agent missile bomb. You can't control me.
Do we have to buy it?
I can't even control myself.
Hey, we don't have to buy it.
Not true.
No, we don't have to buy
We
shit.
just fucking leave.
Arc lasher. I don't know how
What?
much that shit costs though.
I'm gonna buy it.
Hey, I bought the water.
I'll keep the little
And I
X-Buster
didn't-
for now.
Yeah, okay.
I'm buying it.
Got the water going for
Press on the triangle right there.
Yeah, press triangle. Hey.
What?
Alright.